Hello, my name's Gabriel. We're here with JetSurf USA, and in today's video, we're going to be going over your JetSurf charger. Now, to begin, we'll open up the charger. Inside, you're going to receive a charger manual. You're going to receive a 12-volt cigarette lighter connection. You receive a European plug connection. And you'll receive a US plug connection. Connected to the charger, there's going to be a red and black cord. This is going to have a 2-pin connector. This is what you will connect to the board to be able to charge. Now we remove the charger. Charger will look like this. You have the red and black connection on this side. You have the 12-volt connection on this side. And you have the power plug connection on this side. That concludes today's videos. And for the next video, we'll be showing you how to connect and charge your board.